All right. I'm going to work on the bilge. I'm going to show you what I need to do in the bilge. It's not going to be pretty because bilges are usually gross, but I'm going to turn this back on so you can see what I see. And I need to put, shit, I need to put that with the screw back in the bilge. Hold on. All right, I found it. It's the screw that needs to fit in the float switch. And hey, I also found a bobby pin. All right, so I need to put this new float switch down in the bilge. Let me show you what the bilge looks like. Oh, and there's a fork down there. God damn it. Hold on. Fork in the bilge. Got it out. I have no idea how the fork get in the bilge. All right, hold on. I seriously do not know how I'm going to photograph this because that is tiny. So I'm going to do my best.